Hey everybody, this is the B-17 buddy build. I finally got mine done. I had a little bit of advantage on you guys doing the 1/48 scale versus mine that was 1/64. I don't have so much detail that's hidden away on the inside or on the outside as you guys doing the Revell B-17 Flying Fortress. If I had one, I was going to build one of those, but I had this sitting on the shelf, so I decided to build it. But here it is, it's actually done. Let me get a little zoom in on there so you can see some of the detail. This thing is so big. I'm going to try not to make you guys sick, but it might happen moving it around. You can see my guys in the cockpit and the guy up in the top gunner. So I also got a guy in the nose gunner up in there. Got a little bit of glare, but he's in there. He's ready to fight. We named this one Betty Joe Delight. Had some names on there that you could pick and put together. Let me zoom out so you can see some of the weathering. So I kind of tried not to make it look too beat up, but give it some realistic look. So I got a lot of the oil coming down and exhaust fumes coming down past the wing. Try to do some highlighting of the rivets and all that. Tail decals. One of the gunners change of focus so you guys can see the top of the wing. A lot of this weathering looks a lot better in person. Hopefully the camera or the video will actually show more detail when it's uploaded to YouTube. I hope you guys are doing well on your builds. I can't wait to see it. I haven't seen anybody yet. A couple intros, but can't wait to see you guys building those big bombers. You guys will have fun finding somewhere in your house. Hang them from your ceiling. This one actually comes with a little stand. I think I'm going to put it on a shelf and hide it away. So I did some weathering over the wing markings. So let me zoom out some. Well, that's all further goes. I'm going to show you the bottom. So hold on. Alright, so after reducing some of the light, you can see a little bit of weathering I did on the bottom. I did some dry brushing and some washes on this. Trying to give it the look like it was landing on some dirty runways, which it probably would have been. Taken off from England. Let's see if I can get a... See, that back is so dark. Let's see. So there's a little bit of a better view of the weathering I did on top. Like I said, it's hard to get a good image of that. That was a fun build. I had some detail on the inside. I got some pictures I'm going to put on this video so you guys can see the inside it's done as well. A lot of fun. Probably could do a little bit more weathering. I ain't as experienced as some of these guys on YouTube. Haven't done enough planes to get as good as them. I got a couple in the stash that I'll probably add to the pile, but I think I'm going to work on one of the armor vehicles to go into another group build that Jeff at Mutt Mahler is putting together. Probably do something like that next, and I also have the Chevelle wagon to finish. And then I got some soul searching to see what will be the next build to add on to that. By the way, this is the stand it goes with. It came clear, but I decided to give it some antique aging looking colors, kind of like a trophy. Got a nice nameplate. It's a black wash in that to give it some age. I did that gold with a flat black base, and the plane just sits on that. That way I can put it on the shelf. And like I said, can't wait to see you guys' builds. Have a good one.